I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Next, this is one of the most important ones that goes for any live stream, not just live webinars. Practice and test your stream before going live. This is critical and crucial, and always practice with the exact same setup you're going to be using during the show. Also, don't add new technology last minute, and sometimes that last minute technology change happens to you without your approval, and that is YouTube and Facebook have been known to just change things at the last minute. If you're in a situation where YouTube or Facebook throw you a curve, number one, you want to make sure you tested your show a few hours before you go live so you can try troubleshooting it. And second, if you can't get over it, go to a different CDN that day and work around it. Sometimes these guys are real pains in the you-know-what with their terms and what happens and changing things on you on the SDK. So always make sure that you have the time to learn and test new gear. And if you don't have that time and Facebook or YouTube throws you a curve, do your best and work around them if you have to.